Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Happy Sunday morning. You'll probably be watching this on Monday. It is April 19th, and this is the work for the week for April 20th to 21st. First off, I want to thank you guys for the work you've been doing. It has not been easy doing this online learning. You've had to adapt in these weird times, and you guys have been doing a great job. I can't thank you enough for reaching out to me, you hanging in there, and just proud of you guys. Okay? Couple things. Make sure you get outside this week if the weather's nice. We got sunshine on this Sunday morning. Yay! Um, Try to get out and do some little fishing while I do get my work done. Take care of myself. Take care of the house. Help your mom and dad as always. And get your assignments in. Each week I have 2 assignments for you to do, and it's important that you get them in and ask me questions. I'm available from 11:15 to 12. Canvas conferences. You're always welcome to come in and ask questions. So let's get to it. Limiting factors. Before I've talked to you about population growths, and I showed you a graph, time on the bottom, population over here. And what's interesting to note is, you may have noticed that the population gets big really, really fast. Not good when we have this high of a population. You're going to be watching a video this week about seals. And there are so many seals on the beach of Cape Cod because we've scared away a lot of their predators and they're competing with us for fish. So, limiting factors can be good because they can prevent a population from getting this big. When we look at an S curve, we see the population go up, but then reach its carrying capacity due to limiting factors, which is a good thing. We can't have 8 million birds outside our house, all right? We'll have no more food left. So, what are limiting factors? Food, predators, okay, competition, all right, weather can be one. Disease, as you know right now, is a limiting factor. This virus, okay, the coronavirus is a limiting factor. It is bringing down a lot of our population. Um, and so these are what we call limiting factors. And we're going to be working with these today and see the good and the bad of them and how they are important for keeping an ecosystem balanced. What you're going to do is you're going to do a PhET simulation, and you first have to download it. You're going to get it off Canvas announcements, okay? And what you're going to notice is, go away. What you're going to notice is when I look it up, you want to read all about bunnies. Bunnies are taking over the world, okay? They have been overpopulating, and we're going to see a simulation here about how limiting factors for the bunnies are considered good. So you're going to open up this link, and with this link, you want to download it. Open. It should open up. It's Natural Selection PhET Interactive Simulation. Notice we do a lot of activities on the computer now because we are online learning. Yay, we got the little bunny jumping. And you can just run the simulation. You just start press and play. But since there's no bunny here, there's no anything for it to go. So let's add a buddy here. Let's see how we can do that. There's a way to add the buddy. Long teeth, brown fur. Add a friend. There we go. And you click play. Look at your graph over time. We have 2 bunnies. Oh, now we got a little more bunnies. Time until the next generation. See, it went up a little bit. Okay? Population numbers here. Oh, we got more bunnies. They're multiplying. They're mating and multiplying because there's no limiting factors for them. Look at how much bunnies there are now. When it gets to 50, you can stop it. Okay? You can always reset. You'll reset all when you need to. But notice the worksheet says that once you get to 50 bunnies, it wants to do different things. So you're going to repeat steps. No selection factors. Add a friend. What do you think will happen? What will actually happen? Make sure you do your predictions before you run the simulation. Okay. Then you're going to introduce wolves. Number 2, introduce wolves when you get to 50. Don't forget to reset all.